Today's the 12th of July 2022, and I sent my son, I think I sent you 240, and then just recently your mother, she sent me a text with a list, a link stating that school supplies are coming up. So I sent another $80 this morning, and she said, can you call us or something? So I ended up calling y'all after a couple of hours. I ended up calling, and I spoke to you, man. I spoke to you, and this is the world we live in, boys. But I let her know. I let her know that after we conversed or whatnot, as always, a random situation always occurs where we just have to hang up, which is cool. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. But I want to tell you this, son. The world in general, if I pass away, somebody just give this message to my son. Just share this message to my son, so he at least doesn't grow up to have a bitter ass heart towards his father. She called me on some, I just don't understand, you know what I'm saying? She called me questioning me as if I don't want to be involved, and I don't know, the way she questions it makes it seem like I'm the one that's trying to avoid, but it's cool, she's like giving me permission, being nice and giving permission for me to like actually be able to call, and I guess she's wording it in a way where it's still me that didn't want to reach out, so it's cool. But I'm just letting you know, I know your birthday's September 7th. I never forgot that. I'll always remember that day. And I would call you every fucking year on your birthday, my nigga. I would call you every fucking year, my nigga. Don't. But I got a thumbs up, I got a thumbs up to at least call you. And I hate this because from a man point of view, this is the reason I decided on documenting this is, I decided to, so within 2 to 3 weeks, I'm gonna take some time, and I'm gonna head over to Tampa and just do some activities with you. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna run outside. We're just gonna I'm gonna get a soccer or football, and we're gonna play. We're just gonna sweat, and we're gonna play. And just be active, you know what I'm saying? Just like homies do when they go to the park and just sweat, play basketball, football, whatever the case is. Obviously, I don't think you're at a level of playing basketball, but I'm sure we could kick a soccer ball, play tag. Like you said, you like playing tag. I'll play tag with you. And take a decent stroll, take a decent jog. That's my plan, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just telling you at this age, you don't really know what's going on. But she's fucking questioning me like, what's your plan? You know what I'm saying? What's your plan? And then are we planning to meet up or what? So I just, I'm not sure if she's asking what's my plan in terms of what are we gonna do, because she said in terms of, she was like, what do you mean by cardio? You know what I'm saying? Like, this, what the fuck does that matter, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? She wants a fucking detailed plan and shit of it's just the stupidest shit, bro. I'm just gonna tell you straight up right now, dog. Like, it's the stupidest fucking shit in the world. It pisses me off, but I try to just hold my composure, and for the sake of my son, because I know time is ticking, and I don't want pride to be the reason why. So I'll just, whatever. I asked her a question. I was like, is there anything health related that he should avoid? You know what I'm saying? What the fuck you asking that for? And I want to just snap, but I'm not. I'm choosing to document this and Yeah, my goal is to get some cardio in with you, son. That's my fucking goal, is to get you to run, to compete with you, man. Just to challenge you, to race you, so you can see what it is to just have a mentality of competition. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna challenge you. I'm gonna push your ass to the fucking ground. I'm just gonna challenge you. I'm just gonna challenge you. That's it. And I want to make so much money so I could shut that bitch up, and I could have everything my motherfucking way. From that point of view, that's what you want. You want money here. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Come over here, son. Let's go. It sucks that my mentality is this way, but I know damn well. I'm not gonna complain, though. I'm not gonna complain. All I'm gonna say it is what it is. I don't know what karma, if that shit really exists or what, man, but I want that motherfucker to come back fast. You know what I'm saying? And it's funny because in the past I've always wanted good shit to happen to her. I never wanted any hate, any bad stuff to happen, but this shit is getting ridiculous. But we're gonna play this out. I'm going to do my best to get to Tampa. Probably not next week, but in 2 weeks. I'm gonna head over to Tampa. I got a little time limit by noon, so we'll get some cardio in. It's cool. And I'm not even gonna text her what I'm gonna do in terms of after, but my goal is I'll probably take you to the mall and get some shoes, and we'll probably stop and get some smoothies as well. So we'll grab some smoothies, and then after we'll get some shoes. We'll buy you some shoes or some shit, something cool for your school. I know you got school coming up, so that's what my mind is, man. I know none of this shit matters today, but I'm just thinking in the future, dog. Like, I'm thinking 20, 30 years from now, dog. Like, nobody's with me, as you can see. Nobody's, everybody's all in the mentality. Nobody's really thinking of this as much as I am, but as a whole, the world considers a nigga like me a deadbeat. A nigga like me, like, not present, just a sperm donor. They just have bad connotations towards a person like me. So I'm just hedging me. I'm protecting me, and I'm making sure that you know that today, the 13th or 12th of July, I think today's the 12th or the 13th of July, 2022, I never forgot about you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We just had a little conversation. I was riding my bike, and yeah, man, I could tell, man. I could tell. I'm not saying you need me, but I could tell that I think I look forward to spending some time with you, man. That's all I'm gonna say. Wherever you are, just remember, like I always tell you, mentally strong. Keep fucking fighting. Don't fear nothing. Don't fear no one. Keep pushing forward, man. This is your world. Let's go.